morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Hey, welcome back. Welcome back to Getting Busy with the Bee. Today is Saturday, so it's cleaning day for me. Cleaning and then cooking. Today we're gonna start with the cleaning. So I like to start in the bathroom and work my way out of in the entire house. Anyway, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to clean the entire house today, but definitely the bathroom and the kitchen are a must, because this is what we use the most. All right, guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is start into the shower. The first thing I'll do is to spread my powder cleaner into the shower, and then we're gonna get started. All right, so let's get busy. For the top, I cleaned it last week, so we didn't use it at all this week. So I'm just wiping everything down. There's no need to wash it with water today, because we did not use it during the week. Just wiping everything down. That's it. All right. So now we are going to tackle the countertops. Alright, so now we're gonna tackle the kitchen. I like to start at the top and then work my way down. We're gonna commence en l'air et puis on descend. Okay? unloading the dishwasher. For some reason, I don't enjoy it. I don't enjoy it at all. I hate unloading the dishwasher. For some reason. Papa Gimou qui est moins. Papa Gimou qui est bon ça, mon bagage et tout. That has sentimental values. Can't get rid of it. Oil. You want to get rid of that frying oil. Don't dump them in your sink, you know. Put them in some kind of empty bottles. Oops. Okay. You know what I mean? Dispose of them like that. At this point, what I like to do is to, after I finish cleaning my countertop, I like to sanitize it. I'm using some rubbing alcohol here, just to make sure everything is clean.
Getting busy with the beat. Abone, partage, like. Getting busy with the beat, with the beat. Oh, oh, getting busy with the beat, with the beat. Oh, oh, bora pouca pone tout ça ou pas tourner yo. Nous préparer savon, nous préparer bon manger et bon pâté et la griller. Getting busy with the beat.
Okay. Now good bagay work. Everything is clean. Now you want to cook. When your kitchen is clean like that, you feel like cooking. I'm too tired to cook today. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the floor real quick and we shall be done. Okay, we're done. Finally done. So it's been a whole day. Of course, I stopped in between. So we got everything clean. All right. Very nice. Okay, this is where I keep my handmade soaps. Alright, this area also has been nicely done. Alright, I don't like to keep a lot of stuff on my counter, so that's it. That's about it. Alright, so I need to put the rug down. I forgot to put the rug down in front of the tub. Okay. Here, shower that we did. I'm gonna turn on the light. There will be some noise, so forgive me. See how shiny the floor is? That's what that powder does. That Comet powder. Look at that. And it keeps it clean all week. So basically, if you clean your shower every week, you're just wiping down. You're not really struggling to clean it. Alright. And again, I don't like to keep anything. I just keep my handmade soap here in this soap dish. I don't know. I have this soap dish probably when I was in Haiti, because I don't remember buying this here. And it's been over 20 years. Oh, it's been a long time. Alright, so we're done here. Alright. That's it right there for the bathroom. Alright, let's go over to the kitchen. Okay, so here's our kitchen. Alright. Tout bagay propre, tout bagay nan place yo. Mwen kite 3 œufs sa yo dehors. C'est pour mal faire gâteau. Alright, so everything is clean. And as you can see, I don't like to keep a lot of things on my counter. Ba men ki tan pil bagay sou countertop la. Parce que li fait semblon bagay ki pa en ordre. Lò gon paquet bagay sou countertop ou. Okay, so moi men kite le minimum. Alright. You comme ça vous sentez pi à l'aise. Alright, so everything is nicely done and clean. Sink is clean, and again the Comet. I'm not sponsored by this product, but look at this. Look how shiny my sink is. Oh my gosh. I'm not sponsored by this company, but I like the product. You know? There we go here. Let me give you another view. Okay, that guy. Forme là. Il y a là. Dégagez nous. Elle fait manger. Because when your kitchen is clean like that, you are inspired to cook. As you can see, it's already dark outside. So we started probably around noon. And it's almost 6 o'clock. Of course, I stop in between and eat and stuff. You know me. I will eat and everything. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out with the bee. Alright. If you're watching me on Facebook, don't forget to follow the bee. Follow Getting Busy with the Bee. And like and share and everything, and now. And also, if you are watching me on YouTube, please, if you like this type of content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I mean, if you if you hang out with me for that long, you are a good trooper, really. And I thank you for that. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye, everybody.